Antti the Builder here with some new toys. We're gonna do a little unpacking and then we're gonna do a little bit testing. Wearing this outfit brings me back some nice memories. So by now I think all of you grasp the understanding that I'm more of a geek than anything else. But this time we are going to dive into a little bit different world of power tools.
This is for my dad.
So this was something that I picked up from our local convenience store. In Europe there's a chain called Lidl and they sell groceries and they have some of their own privately produced goods also available. So this Parkside is their brand that they are sourcing from China, and I have no idea what the quality actually of these products is, but I've been dying to find out. Cats are running wild again. Good, that's about it. So first up we're gonna do a little bit of unpacking and then we're gonna do some cutting.
I'm scared now.
Don't be, I won't let the tree hit you.
Just the neighbors then.
Just the neighbors, yeah.
It.
Few things that I've noticed that has changed over like, let's say past 5 years. That previously when you purchase a power tool, you also automatically get a charger and a battery. These days it's not so simple. You separately need to buy the battery and also the charger. There are a few things that are good and bad here. The good thing is that this battery goes basically to every Parkside product that Lidl is making. So in future if I need something other like a chainsaw or something like that, I can run it with the same battery and the same charger. But then again there's the thing that these are not cheap. This was actually the same price as the device itself.
Oh gosh.
So this was around 50 euros and this was another 50 euros. And one of the other things is that I'm not sure how long these will be available. So if one day decide that okay, we're not making any more of these, where will I get a new battery? That's something that we will know after years if this is actually a good purchase or not. So if I can go to the local store and buy a new battery after 1 year, I don't know. At the moment it's a good deal. It should be a good deal, but who knows after a few years. Okay, let's get on to the unpacking part. So this is 3-in-1 cordless tool. There are 3 different main parts that you can insert here. There's the drill, the saber saw and the multi-tool. The saber saw is the one that I'm actually needing because I have some trees that I need to cut, so that's what we're gonna try this on. A lot of writing, service information. Yeah, it says here also that the battery or the charger is not included. This is something that all the major brands do these days. This is not something that Lidl is just doing, like Bosch and Ryobi, and they are also doing the same thing, that they will sell the battery and the charger separately from the device. Okay, rather straightforward. Some extra parts. Here's the cutting tool and this
Sandpaper.
is... Yes, yeah. And I didn't know that this has... There's no actually mention about the sandpaper thing, but here it is. Interesting, okay. Yeah. Some small blades and actually bigger ones. Well, you can see it from the upright camera.
Can you?
No, it's frozen here, but it should record.
Okay, good.
It should. Yeah. The saw blades. Manual. Let's ignore that like we always do.
Won't be needing this one.
And this is the actual device. So, does it even work? Let's see. I recharged the battery. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing.
Boys with their toys.
So how do we change this? There's a lock. And there's a lock. Oh, interesting. After 2 locks it just comes off. Interesting. That's the drilling part. This is the... I think it's just a kind of a clip on. And then the lock on and... What's that? I don't know. Oh yeah, I need the battery. Okay, it's worked. Yeah. This is for the
Sandpaper.
sandpaper and what's the call? One of the blades. The multi-tool blade called. Okay. The mechanism is quite simple. Just unlock it here and pull it out. And then the part that I'm most excited to use. What the hell? Okay. What? This can't be right.
Looks weird.
Okay. Actually, let's add in the blade first. I'm guessing that's the way to go. Oh yeah, did I already make it? There. It just dropped. Oh, there's many layers here. God damn it. There. I think I need the instructions for this. No, that's just the drawing. God damn it. I would hope that there would be some images. I'm also always bad at reading things. Well, let's just kind of flip it. It should go there. Okay. Oh, here's the release mechanism. Oh yeah. That way. No. Oh, that was simple. Yep. Just use the release mechanism and put it in. Nice. And then. However, this looks stupid.
Yeah, scary. What if the blade comes off?
Now it works. Remember kids, I'm professional. Don't do this at home.
Do not try this at home.
That's heavy. Okay. Well, yeah, like I said, the manual, there's a lot of reading, but I'm bad at reading, so I'm gonna skip it. But there's a lot of blades and extra tools here. The sandpaper was kind of a bonus, though I don't have any actual use for it at the moment. But that was the simplest unboxing that I've done so far. Next up, we need to do some cutting.
We need safety glasses at least, and maybe...
I have a safety gear.
Okay.
You will see.
Yeah.
Alright?
It will be the last thing I see.
No. I'm professional. Like I said, don't try this at home. Let's roll. Nice. Timber!
Yeah. And you got all your fingers still. I'm surprised.
Yeah, another one. I like this.
Yeah, a bit too much.
Ten centimeters might be a little bit too much, but this will take a while. Harder than I thought. Okay, so the 10 centimeters might be too much. That is something that we might require to have an actual chainsaw. So this is too little for that. But yeah, I will cut the smaller one. It is also heavy for the wrist.
Oh.
I'm not used of doing just lots of manual work these days. But good exercise. Timber!
Or not.
Timber!
Oh.
And children, that's the why you need to wear safety gear.
Yeah, you promised you'll have those.
One more try. Well, the battery holds well, still full charge on the battery. Timber!
Yay, you got it!
We did it, yeah.
Hey, how
nice.
is the blade? It's still good.
Working, yeah.
Sometimes when you get cheap blades from China, they last for one cut or something.
Yeah, it's still
Sharp as ever.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Worked well. But yeah, not for trees over around 10 centimeters. That should be the limit for this. But when you have the wheel and the way, like they bought actually Arnold Schwarzenegger as a spokesperson for this, and the slogan is, "You got this, I got this."
Yeah.
Yeah, but surprisingly powerful, and battery holds well. But we will see after years that was this actually a good invest because of the batteries. Not sure can we get more, but hopeful. All right. Until next time, let's see what we can come up that until then. Take care.
Bye, thanks for watching.